Cup of Joe, cup of Joe, cup of Joe, Joe, Joe. What's up, y'all? It's your boy. Yeah, I'm up in my truck, man. Trying to see if I can finish one of these in 5 minutes. Can y'all see that there? Yeah, baby, it's going down. Yeah, I'm eating lunch. About to eat lunch. And I wanted to do a quick video, man. See how y'all doing tonight. It's about to be day. It's already morning to me, because I work overnight. Oh, I brought my own wheat bread. I don't know if y'all can see. Oh, yeah. And what's in here is Salisbury steak, macaroni and cheese, and roasted potatoes. Oh man, it look good. It kind of look alright in the picture, smoky, but this how it look right now. Oh yeah, it's steaming, ain't it? Oh, you know this should be good. I got me a little pack of ketchup. I always come prepared, man. No matter what. Any situation, we gotta come prepared. Cause the motto is to stay ready, to keep from getting ready. And before I dig in this plate, I want to say my grace. Thank you, Lord, for this food. Amen. Thank you, Big Santa. Happy Valentine's Day to y'all. You know what I'm saying? All the lovers and friends out there. Tell me again. And get what I got to wash it down with. Uh-oh. Y'all already know my favorite drink. One of these Arizona teas. Oh yeah. This the ginger honey kind. So, and I'm looking for everything. Oh, one thing I can't forget. I got my hot sauce out. My favorite hot sauce. Yeah, Louisiana original, man. I got a full bottle. So you can imagine the work I'm fit to put in. Oh yeah. It's going down, man. So I gotta hurry up and eat this in 5 minutes. Y'all don't mind bearing with me. You know what I'm saying? Hope it don't take me long, man. But how y'all been? Oh, I got everything together. Yeah. Yeah, it's good and tasty. Yeah, it's good and tasty. That's what I'm talking about. And my wheat bread. I'm gonna make me a sandwich, man. Yes, I am. Oh, yes, I am. So y'all had to put that boy up there like that right there. Yes, sir. You know I'm from the projects. You know I'm from the ghetto. Yeah, I'm finna make me a sandwich. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Put that boy up there. I don't need no mayonnaise, no nothing. You know what I'm saying? It's all in the gravy. You know what I mean? Come on now. Don't have it brand new. Mm-hmm. Mac and cheese here. Yeah, man. I was gonna wash the car today, or the truck. But, y'all see me? But, it's raining. I don't know if it's gonna be raining all day today or what. I ain't washing this truck till next week. The rain threw me for a loop. And as soon as it stopped, everybody and their mama be at the damn car wash. I'm gonna catch them early in the morning. You know what I'm saying? When I get out, ain't nobody gonna be there. Got plenty of paper towel. God, dog. Anyway, thank y'all for watching. A cup of Joe, cup of JoJo. Make me another sandwich, man. Oh, I got my wheat bread. I love me some wheat bread, man. But this the honey wheat. So it got a little sweetness to it. You know what I'm saying? Ain't too fat. Too fattening. You know what I'm saying? Sure go good with a sandwich. Nice and fresh and soft. Yeah. It's a cup of Joe. Why you got that big old flashlight? I was thinking last time I was doing a video in my truck, y'all could barely see me, so what I did, I didn't realize I still had my, what I did was went to Walmart and bought a flashlight. Well, y'all can see you, boy. I'll make a video in my truck, just chilling. You know what I'm saying? On my lunch break. Gotta make that money, man. Yeah, man. Oh, this good. Real good. Look at that. Can't go wrong with meat potatoes, man. Thank God. So full. Yeah, man. You gotta be hitting. Especially when you're hungry and don't feel like cooking. Put some hot sauce on. Oh my God. Man, thank you. Man, I hope y'all enjoy yourself today. Spend time with your loved one. You know what I'm saying? Me personally, I'm gonna be in the house watching a movie. Cause there's gonna be a lot of people with some tears in their eyes on the freeway. And hell, I ain't trying to get hit. That's a joke. You know we got a sense of humor. I do. But yeah, man. We gotta live every day, man. Thank God for another day we never seen before, man. Other than that, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Hype me up, man. To a cup of Joe, cup of JoJo. Ciao.